Hey guys, this is Wes back with another video. I am doing another DIY video. As by the title, I am doing the Nasty Boy sunglasses that they wore out with their entrance. Um, Inspiration for these actually, it was actually at the Dollar Tree, and as I saw these pair of glasses here, and I seen the rack there, and thought it'd be a good idea. Um, But yeah, like I said, I got them at the Dollar Tree for only $1. Um, I think the only thing is, I believe that their lens, I'll show you here in a minute, their lens is like all the way across. It doesn't have like a gap or anything, but it is kind of rounded and kind of square on the sides there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the autograph. If I should have both of them autographed like each side here, you know, but because like I said, all these paint markers I got here is gonna crisscross with each other. um, but yeah, um, as you see, I'm in my room. It's raining outside, so not a good day to be outside, normally we do this outside, but it's Florida, so it is what it is. But anyways, I actually kind of glad I'm in the room here, because I'll be able to use this picture here as a reference. This right here is actually it's on Fitterman Sports there, and looks like an 8x10 here, and this was the only website that'll let me zoom in on it, at least clearly. But so yeah, this is how I'm gonna do it. So this is what I meant by like how it kind of goes all the way through the lens. But what I got is close enough. But yeah, I'm gonna use this as a reference. I do got my paint markers here. As you've seen in the glasses there, it's got yellow, pink, blue, or light blue, and red. I think yellow's the most used, along with the pink. Blue is kind of used, and red is only used barely even once, I think. I think right where the mouse is red. And right kind of like where my mouse is now, that's kind of red. You can see, kind of looks pink on there, but it is red. But it looks like on there, the pink and blue is in like the background, and the yellow is like the dominant top color, if that makes any sense. So what I'll be doing first, I got my I guess sample paper here. I'm gonna go ahead and shake them up and test them out on here. I think I showed you guys a video earlier. It should be on my channel somewhere, how to do these. You just shake them up, press them down on the tip there, and wait till the paint comes down on the tip. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. First color I think I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna do pink first. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that on the left side. The right side looks different as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna pause the video and I'll be back. I'm gonna do the yellow, or I'm gonna do the pink and the blue there. So, and I'll be back. Alright, so I'm finished with the pink and the blue and the red. The red kind of gave me a hard time there. I don't know if you can see, but no big deal. I know the pink kind of looks like white, but it is pink. And then the blue came out really good too. It didn't bleed too much on there. Definitely does look like, it's been splattered or streaked on there. See if I can try to. Almost looks good. I mean, I wish the pink was a little bit thicker, but no big deal. I did, because I did the pink one first. I let that dry for about 5 minutes or so, and then I did the blue Then I did the red. I didn't want them to smear on each other, but no, it looked pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and do the yellow there. And the yellow on there kind of looks white. Yeah, when I get closer, it looks good. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do the yellow, and I'll be back. I'll make sure you wash these too, or try not to get your smudge prints on here. I know it's like really easy to get them on there. But I just got a microfiber and clean that side. So, but yeah, make sure you do that before any painting. But yeah, let me go ahead. I'll be back. Alright, so here is the finished product for the left side. Yeah, it looks really good. I really like it. I actually went ahead and streaked the pink one again one more time, and definitely does look a little bit thicker. So I know from the side it kind of looks pink. I know from here it kind of looks white. But yeah, I went over the pink again, went over the yellow again. Blue looks fine. I like how that looked like. Let me see if I can try to do a comparison here. Looks pretty good, actually. I'm not gonna lie. Looks pretty good. Oh, see it. Look, you can see it where the screen shines through. You can see the pink there. Yeah, it looks good. I like it. Came out good. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side here. This side looks like, now looks like the yellow is the background. The blue again is the background, and looks like the pink is the dominant top color there, if you can see it on there. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and go it all through. I'm not gonna do a step-by-step thing like I did the first time. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then the next thing you'll see is the finished product. So I will be back. Alright guys, so here is the finished product, all dried up and all ready to go. Excuse me. But yeah, here is the right side there. Let's see if I can, there you go, looks better. Yeah, I like it. I like how it came out. Looks freaking awesome to me. It's different. Let's see if I can show you. Sorry. Sorry, give me a minute. Alright. So, that's the best I can do. Zooming in. I did Knobs. He was my statue for me. Let's see if I can try to lift this up here. I don't know if you're seeing that. That looks pretty damn good. Again, I like the way it came out. Kind of like the, see the streaks in there on some of the stuff. Kind of like how that came out. Did the best I could, you know, for paint markers. So, but yeah, that was only $1 at Dollar Tree again. I forgot to tell you about the paint markers. Again, I already had these, so these was basically, well, I already pay for them. I don't want to say they're free, but if you were going to do this yourself, I go to Michael's, like I say a bunch of times, but they do have that 40% coupon you can use on one item. I would go ahead and do that for these. I think it brings it down to $225 maybe. You're looking at 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, so probably $10 with tax or whatever. So $10 plus the $1 for that. You know, $11 total. Just pretty good. I'm not sure, again, what I'll do for the autograph. I know they do these Comic Cons a lot, so it's just a matter of time when I meet them. But I'll either probably do silver on the sides or something, maybe. I'm not sure. I think it'll be too bunched up if they try to autograph that on the lens there. But yeah, cheap little $11 project, you know, pretty cool. Definitely one of my favorites. So anyway, guys, enjoy the slideshow here coming up. And again, do appreciate all the views and all the comments. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. This little DIY, pretty simple stuff. Anyways, enjoy the slideshow, and you guys have a good one. Thank you.